Voice of English Speaking Quebec and the Community Health and Social Service Network are proud to launch the When Language Matters Health Passport app version 1.0. The Health Passport app is designed to help individuals and families keep track of essential health information on their smartphone, tablet, or home computer. It also provides a useful guide to words and phrases in French to allow patients and caregivers to interact more effectively with French-speaking healthcare providers. The application lets a user store, edit, and update essential medical contacts, as well as health history, medications, and allergies in their smartphone, tablet, or computer. It allows easy reference to an onboard vocabulary list developed specifically to assist communication between patients and medical professionals. We begin by opening the internet browser on your device to access the VEC website. We do so by typing www.veq.ca/hp/ and enter. To save the app to your device, you need to click on the phone symbol on the top left-hand corner of the screen, like so. To save this app to your home screen of your device, you need to follow the directions indicated. Press the button with the arrow on the top left-hand corner of your screen, like so. Add to home screen, and go on to add to your home screen. We can now access the app by clicking on the icon on your home screen. We'll now have a look at the Information button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. This opens up a disclaimer stating that this device and app does not replace a professional medical opinion in any way. Your personal health information is stored on this device, so do be sure to secure it in case of loss or theft. Take note on the left-hand corner of the screen that the Voice of English Speaking Quebec logo indicates contact information in the case that you should need any technical assistance. You may then select your history to create your own personal profile, and as many others as you may wish. For instance, we may create Ken Adams and add him as a user. To enter his file, click on his name and enter into personal information. Here, Ken Adams can add his blood type and who to contact in the case of an emergency, as well as a second person to notify. When we exit, we see that there are many categories to fill out: your medical contacts, allergies, current medication, current diagnosis, medical history, surgical history, and living habits. For instance, medical history. You can add any medical history issue that you've had: high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, or asthma, whatever it may be, as well as the date that you were diagnosed. This is important medical information for your health provider. Another useful tab is surgical history. Here you may indicate information about the last surgery you had, date, and any side effects that would be important in your medical future. We can also enter into living habits. That involves day-to-day information about your living habits, be it as a smoker or someone who drinks alcohol, how well you sleep, and what physical activities you do from day to day. When we exit here, we can go back into the main menu to create a second profile. For instance, if we have Isabel Adams and add new user. We exit your history in order to return to the main page. In the main page, you'll notice that there are helpful phrases. This lexic was developed in order to communicate efficiently with your healthcare provider. From greetings to type of pain, pain scale, timing, orientation, body location, and other details that could be important to your healthcare provider. At the end of the list, you'll also find the 5 reasons that are most common in a consultation to the emergency office, such as headache, flu symptoms, chest pain, abdominal pain, muscle and joint pain, and other symptoms that are either neurological or circulatory in nature. You can consult these at your leisure as you wait in the emergency office. We can now exit the helpful phrases to return to the main page. Here we'll see also important numbers to consult involving urgent resources such as 911, the Suicide Prevention Hotline, the Quebec Poison Control, and others that were equally helpful. We can enter into the Information and Referral section, which are 811, 211, and Jeffrey Hill St. Bridget's, the bilingual hospital in Quebec City. The One Language Matters Health Passport App 1.0 is VEC's first project and a new effort to harness digital technologies to enhance equitable access to services in English in Quebec City. As part of the release, VEC is actively gathering user feedback to enhance the functionality of future versions of the app. In order to rate the tool, simply go to the left-hand side of the screen with the red sign. Here you can rate us on a scale of 1 to 4 stars, and leave us a comment or suggestion. And submit. Thank you for using the Health Passport app. Please do not hesitate to rate us, as it will help us permit to adapt the app into a tool that meets your needs. This work was made possible by the financial support of Health Canada in its official languages support program.